Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've linked this doorbell below at a great price, so check that out first if you want to grab one. Today we're looking at the Ring Wired Doorbell 4K Pro, the newest model, in deep silver, and this is currently Amazon's choice, with over 10,000 units sold in just the past month. The headline feature here is genuinely the video quality. This delivers Retinal 4K video with a wide-angle view, so you're seeing your home or business in real, sharp clarity, not the grainy footage older doorbell cameras are known for. On top of that, you get up to 10x enhanced zoom, so you can actually catch details at a distance, whether that's a face, a license plate, or a package label. For interaction, you get live view and two-way talk with Audio Plus, meaning you can see, hear, and speak with visitors in real time straight from your phone, no matter where you actually are. Motion detection here is a lot smarter too. 3D motion detection pinpoints exactly where motion is happening on your property, which means you get more precise alerts and noticeably fewer false interruptions from things like passing cars or blowing leaves. Low light performance is genuinely impressive as well. With low light sight, even a small amount of ambient light gives you true color video, and in total darkness, the camera automatically switches to crisp black and white, so details stay sharp instead of disappearing into noise. There's also video descriptions, which actually describe what's happening in your notification when motion is detected, so you get context at a glance without needing to open the app every single time. Just note this does require a compatible Ring subscription, and it's not available in Illinois due to state legislation. This is a hardwired, DIY installation, giving you non-stop power for non-stop protection, so you're not relying on battery levels or worrying about recharging. It's also certified to work with Alexa, so when paired with a screen Alexa device, you can simply say, "Alexa, show the front door camera," and pull up your live feed instantly. And if you want to match your home's exterior, this comes in deep silver, polished night navy, polished sandstone, or polished mocha, so it's not just functional, it fits your home's look too. Overall, if you want genuinely sharp video, smarter motion detection, and real Alexa integration in a doorbell camera, the Ring Wired Doorbell 4K Pro is a really strong pick. I'll leave the link to this Ring Doorbell 4K Pro in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.